As you can see, it's pretty dull. The ends of it is chipped up pretty bad, but it's still good. So we're just gonna grind this down on the grinder and then balance it out. Live in Texas. That's why my hat in Texas. This time of year, you know what? I'd rather do this than the snow blow. Baby, I hate the snow. Don't have to be. It's not supposed to be sharp, right? You don't have it sharp, but yet you don't have it like a knife because it would dull so fast. But you still got to, that's good enough, I think. That is good enough. There's a few chips on this blade, but now I'm going to have to
take that off the scale. The rust. So.
Okay, guys, when you're sharpening your thing here, if you don't see this grass side, okay, if you can't see that on your blade, not all of it, to my knowledge, but say it just don't say this. What you can do is the hinging is turning clockwise, okay? So this is, say this is on the bottom of your thing and it's turning clockwise. You want the cutting edge to the grass. So say the grass is coming up from the table here up to meet the blade. This would cut it, right? This would cut it. Now, say you had it on backwards and the grass is coming up from the table to the blade. Well, the dull side would be hitting the grass. So you want the sharp side to the grass. Make sense? So I'm just going to finish. I got it sharpened, but there is a, you can see some nicks in there, but I didn't want to take off too much material. Next year I'll get a new blade maybe. But anyway, yeah. So just a little tip there. If you're not sure what way the blade, believe it or not, I've seen them put on backwards, which it's not easy to do, or not hard to do. It is easy to do. Thanks, guys. So when you get the light here, but you see it's on the nail, and I'm trying to get the damn windows. But anyway, I have it on a nail, and you see it's pretty balanced, and that's what you want. You want it balanced. Like I said, this one has it marked on there, grass side. So you're going to put it on. Put on your key here, and you're going to put this on like that. Grass side down. impact. Go in slow until you tighten it up, because sometimes these holes here that go on the little pegs to keep it oriented, sometimes it can just ride on top of it and you wouldn't really know it if you go too fast. So that's, I'm just going to take the ratchet and kind of snug it up. So that's good. Don't know the torque specs. Have no idea. So that's all it is to it. I've been doing this in between another job, so I'll try to edit it to see if it makes as much sense as possible. But that's pretty much how you. It's pretty easy. You get your blade off, and you can. I used a grinder, angle grinder, but I also started off with this thing. But it's a smaller grinder, so I couldn't really do it properly. So then I put it in the vise and used the angle grinder with a flat wheel, 80 grit. Does a wonderful job. And then once you got that done, you take it over, put it on a nail. That's heavy, so you take a little bit off until you keep bringing her up, and she kind of balances out and, you know, is level. So folks, that's it. Now go cut some grass.